Hey y'all, I haven't done one of these top 5 videos in a couple of months, so I thought that I would do one for December because I'm so excited for Christmas and to help you guys Christmas shop and to give you some ideas. So hopefully you have watched my December customer special video, and I'm going to share with you just a few more products that I think are going to be my top 5 picks for the month of December. Okay, so here we go. Number 5, if you did watch that video, you know that our All Pro Tote is actually on sale in December. It's brand new. They brought it back from a few years ago. This is an old print, but I still kept it. But it is great. You have a place right here to put your yoga mat in there, your towel. You have a place right here to keep your shoes separate, a little bag in there to keep your shoes separate from anything on the inside. You have a mesh pocket right here, a big pocket on the back, a zipper closure on top, and then a huge tote bag on the inside. So this is the All Pro Tote. It's actually on sale in December. So check it out. It comes in camo, it comes in black with white circles, and it also comes in a pink color. Okay, so that's my number 5 pick. My number 4 pick, I'm getting myself confused. Number 4 is all about the Benjamin's wallet. So you guys know, if you know me, that this is my favorite product. But a lot of things are coming up pretty close here lately, but I cannot go anywhere without my all about the Benjamin's wallet. You can pair it with a wristlet strap. This is in black. If you can't tell, sometimes the lighting's bad. But on the inside, you have an organizational wallet. So you have your card slots right here. Behind here is where I keep my cash and my receipts. Then you can open it up on this side. You can either keep your checkbook right here, receipts or cash, or even your telephone, your cell phone. My iPhone 8 Plus fits in here, right there. Then you have a change slot right here, so a little zipper pouch for your change. And then you have more card slots here, here, and on the back you have a little pouch right here. So this is an excellent gift for someone. I know around Christmas, we tend to give a lot of wallets and billfolds. So this, all about the Benjamin's wallet, I guarantee you will get used and they will think of you every time that they use it. So this is my number 4 pick, is the all about the Benjamin's wallet, one of my faves. All right, number 3 is the Get Creative Caddy. Okay, so this looks kind of boring, right? This is in the Falling Feathers print. It's got a long handles where you can carry it on your shoulder. Okay, I haven't showed you what's great about it yet. All right, on the inside, you can tell that I've actually used this because there is a wrapper in there. But on the inside, it's a deep bag right here. So it's great if you're a crafter. It's great if you want to use this for church, to put your Bible in here. If you're a teacher, you want to carry some of your supplies home. All right, so let me show you what's great about this. All right, so you see this. What you do is you unsnap the flap down right here, and voila, this is what is so awesome. All right, so you have these 3 little pouches right here, and I am actually using this as like a Bible bag for church. So like I said, you can keep your Bible and your Sunday school material in here. And then over here, I have my hand sanitizer. I have, if that'll go back in there, I have right here, I have tissues. Sometimes the spirit will pass by. And then right here, I have some dry erase markers for my kids. So you're like, why do you have dry erase markers? Well, this little flap right here, this little clear pouch right here, you could put a white piece of paper, unzip this right here, unzip, put you a white piece of paper in here, and then your kids can use this as a dry erase board. How cool is that? So snap this back closed, and we'll flip over to the other side. The other side flips down just like that. And then you have extra storage compartments here. So you kind of have like this elastic little band in here. And then you also have a place to store things right here. So this is the Get Creative Caddy. It also comes in several prints. Great gift for someone, whether they're a crafter or if they're just on the go and they need to take things with them, if they have kids, if they just want to be organized. This is awesome, okay? All right, my number 2 pick is the Me Crossbody. I cannot tell you how many of these I have sold since they came out in August. I have sold so many of these because it's one of my passion products. I'm fixing to show you my number 1 passion product, but I love this Me Crossbody. I think everyone needs one. All right, so you have the flap right here. You can embroider the flap. And then your cell phone fits down in here. Your cell phone. Like I said, I have an iPhone 8 Plus and it fits perfectly down in here. And then you have the 3 card slots right here. So she could keep her ID, her debit cards, her credit cards. And then even on the side when my phone is in here, I keep my chapstick. So I have to have my chapstick everywhere I go. And then she can wear this as a crossbody, just like this. So she's out shopping and she is hands-free and she is not carrying that heavy purse. All she needs is right with her. She's got her phone, she's got her debit cards, and she can actually, with this little lobster claw right here, she can actually hook her car keys right on there if she doesn't want to keep it in her pocket. So this is the ultimate gift right here. I guarantee you she will love it and use it all the time. Or you will love it if you're giving it to yourself. You will love it. This is the Me Crossbody. All right, and then my passion product, ever since that it released in August, is the Close to Home Table Gallery. I am in love. This is my second gallery. I actually have another one. I actually have 2 more. If you watch my Hostess exclusive video, that you're fixing to see my 3rd one. But this is number 2. I'm in love with these photo tiles. You can purchase these by themselves, and I'm kind of embarrassed to say that I probably have like 20 or 25 of these. I love them so much. Okay, but when you get the Close to Home Table Gallery, you're going to get this mango wood wooden piece just like this, and it's going to come with 3 photo inserts, okay? And you can upload your own photos, or you can send them to me and I do it for you. I will upload them for you. I'll send you previews of how it looks like. But these photos were actually, and my light's really, really bright, but these photos were actually taken with my cell phone. So these were from our Disney trip in October that was paid for in full by 31. Thank you, 31. But these were from my cell phone. These photos were. So I do have photos, our professional made photos, and they look, I mean, the quality of these photos are absolutely amazing. Okay, so what you do is you upload your own photos. Now these photo tiles right here, I have actually uploaded them upside down, okay? And the reason being is so that the whole, when you upload them upside down, you just click that little top hat. If you're in the edit screen, you click that little top hat and it'll flip your photo upside down. So if you put your photo in the way it's supposed to be, then the little hole is going to be at the bottom, and then the little hole will be covered up inside the table gallery so you can't see the hole. But if you want to repurpose these photos, so say you update your photos and you're like, well, what am I going to do with these old ones? I've got new pictures now. Well, if you upload your photo upside down in the first place, the little hole is going to be at the top. So when you update those photos, you're like, what am I going to do with these? What you can do with them is you can actually put ribbon on here, and you can hang these on the wall, do a pretty little wall collage if you have real pretty ribbon. You can make these into Christmas ornaments, you guys. So how cool is that? I'm so in love with this idea. There's no telling how many of these that I have purchased so I can give as Christmas ornaments. But if you get the table gallery, it comes with the 3 photo inserts and then this wooden piece right here. And you can actually etch into here. So mine, of course, it looks backwards, but it says making memories. So I love that you can capture memories just from your cell phone. So these pictures may not mean anything to you guys, but when I look at them, I remember where we were at, what we were doing, and what I was feeling. So right here, this little picture of my little girl, we were actually waiting. I think my son and my husband were riding a roller coaster. And so I was waiting with her, and she had literally eaten all of her snacks in the bag. And so she's looking at me like, haha, I ate all the snacks. So I just love looking at these photos, and it just brings back a memory, just like I put on here, making memories, because these memories are things that will last a lifetime. And these photos can help bring back those memories. And like here, this was us in front of the Disney World Castle, and I had my 31 shirt on because 31 paid for this trip in full. We had over a $5,000 Disney trip, paid in full, free for 31, just for doing what I love. So anyways, I hope that you have enjoyed seeing my top 5 picks for December. And if you have any questions or you need help uploading your photos for the photo, either way, even if you want to do the photo gallery or if you just want to order these by themselves. These are by themselves are $8 a piece, which is not bad at all. Upload your own photo onto an iron plate and it's $8. How awesome is that? A great gift as well. So whether you want to do the table gallery with the 3 photos or you just want the photo by itself, please reach out to me and I'd be more than happy to help you with your order. So anyways, I hope that you have a great day and thank you so much for shopping with me.